a place divine. Patiently, we had to wait until the forces aggregate the souls they called to rectify the faults and evils of the state. When years of ego management destroyed the beauty that was meant, when God chose the earth for him, a place divine to honor him.